Hi, my name is Ajay Nair. I'm an assistant professor in the Department of Horticulture at Iowa State University. Today I want to talk to you about a conservation tillage practice called strip tillage. As the name suggests, in strip tillage what you do is you have a cover crop in your plot, and instead of completely tilling the cover crop in, what you do is you just make till strips in which you plant your crops. The advantages of strip tillage is that you are not tilling the whole soil ground up, so you are not breaking the structure, less leaching happening because you conserve more moisture and more nutrients with the cover crops in there. So the two main integral parts or the components of strip tillage is the cover crop, which you would see it either in the fall or could be a spring cover crop too. Usually it's a fall cover crop, and rye or hairy vetch are good candidates for strip tillage. So in this plot here, we are at the Muscatine Island Research Station. What you see here are two very distinctive treatments. We are growing pumpkins, and the treatment which we are trying here are different rates of rye. So we have seeded rye last fall at 60 pounds per acre, 120 pounds per acre and 180 pounds per acre. That's a higher rate, and comparing that with the bare ground treatment. So behind me you see a pumpkin plot which is the bare ground treatment, which was completely tilled, and you could see the pumpkins are doing great. Today is the 26th of June 2013. But one interesting thing which you see here is this carpet of weeds here, the purslane, growing between the rows of pumpkins. And you know, growers have a tough challenge when it comes to weeds. It's difficult. You do not have much herbicides for vegetable systems, and if you're organic you need to hoe. And if you walk with me behind this control treatment with pumpkin is a strip till treatment with rye cover crop. And as you could very clearly see, if we walk into the plot here, we have a very thick mat of rye which is suppressing the weed growth here, which is conserving soil moisture, and you know, it's kind of adding more biology to the soil, because you know, the rye roots, microbes eat on there, there's more organic matter, so there is more turnover and recycling of nutrients. And just to show you how thick this rye mat is, if you look at it's pretty moist in here, so there's a lot of moisture conservation going on here, less erosion happening too. So this thick mat of rye suppresses the weeds a lot, and you cannot see even a single weed in here. So definitely some interesting results with strip tillage in pumpkin, and pumpkin is a common crop in which strip tillage is practiced. We are tweaking the system to understand it better. We are using roller crimpers to roll and crimp this rye. So if an organic grower wants to adopt this, or a sustainable grower wants to adopt the system, they can easily do that. This is, I mean, the growth of the pumpkin look pretty good. We will come back later, collect data on the weed distribution between the rows to see how much weeds are suppressed. We'll also take data on the yield of the pumpkins, also the fruit quality, because pumpkins in the bare ground treatment will sit on the ground, whereas in this case they will be sitting on the mat of this thick rye. So definitely a better quality pumpkin, so maybe a better Halloween too for the kid who picks that pumpkin up. So we are excited about this project, and we'll keep you updated, and I hope you were able to see how strip tillage looks like in a vegetable pumpkin production system. My name is Ajay Nair. I'm an assistant professor in the Department of Horticulture, and thank you for watching this video.